everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. Today I am going to share with you the easiest way to update some plain white candles. Stay tuned. You can find plain white candles like this just about anywhere. The grocery store, the craft store, probably even the hardware store. Doesn't matter what kind you get. The first thing you're going to want to do is tape off a portion of your candle. I'm going to do about a third, but I might change it up on the other candles. Now, the secret trick for this is to mix glitter with your Mod Podge. So I'm going to add just a small amount of Mod Podge to these cups, maybe a tablespoon. And then you want to look for extra fine glitter. You're going to mix it until it has still a consistency of glue, but there's quite a bit of glitter in there. And then you'll repeat on the other side. If your Mod Podge begins to resemble the consistency of peanut butter, you probably want to go back and add a little bit more glue. This is the easy part. Now all you're going to do is you're going to paint your glitter Mod Podge mixture right onto that lower portion of the candle that you taped off. Don't worry if it looks a little bit cloudy and not very bright. As that Mod Podge dries, that glitter is going to come through and it's going to be just as bright as the glitter was when you poured it out of the container. These candles have been sitting here for about an hour, so they have dried a little bit, but they're obviously not completely dry. And I'm going to remove the painter's tape now. I don't want to run the risk of the Mod Podge completely drying and then peeling away from the wax. So I'm going to remove it now.